she wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The things you will need are glue, Tide, and shaving cream. Step 1 is to pour in the glue. Step 2 is to pour in a little Tide. Pour it in little by little. Step 3 is to use a utensil to mix it with, so it'll start to come together. Step 4, put in some shaving cream to make it fluffy and to make it last longer. Sorry guys, my footage deleted, so I had to do something else. Step 5, knead what you have so far so you can make it unsticky. Step 6, I used glitter, but this is optional. You don't have to use glitter. I just did because I wanted to, and I wanted to give it an extra pop, so you don't really have to. Step 7, if you put glitter in yours or anything else like food coloring, mix it. That's what I did to make mine look better and come together. And like so the glitter would stick, I mixed it. This is my finishing product. I'm gonna call it Purple Rain because my mom said I should. Because I let her name it this time because I couldn't think of a good name. So it's called Purple Rain. Okay, I have a tip for you guys. Keep it in a contained space. I put mine in like a bowl that has a top to it. So put it in something like that to keep it from drying up and not being soft anymore, because that's crap. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and comment down below if you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.